So I just wanted to give a really quick idea of how to perform an update, or should I say reinstall the CloudReady for Chrome. And this is just a Chromebook, and so we've already installed the app. And so now we want to basically reset it so that we can use it for another user. But in order to do this, you would think that you would kind of go through the steps and then jump into developer mode. This is not the case. So if you've already installed it, you want to reset it, there's a really quick step here. So you do need to download, you open this up, you're going to download the installer, put it on a USB stick. But one of the steps that it misses here is if you've already installed it, you need to jump down below here where there's the boot and choose USB stick. So you've already got the USB stick configured, and this is what it looks like. So go ahead and turn it on. You'll see it comes up, and then on the screen it says press escape. And then from this screen here, you're going to choose the boot menu, and then you're going to choose your USB drive. That's it. Now you're in the installer. So the next step is just to wait for this to boot. It takes a couple seconds here. This is it actually running off of the USB stick now. And then when it actually finishes booting, the next step here is going to log in. You're going to be to log in to your Google account and finish setting up the device. But that's it. That's all you need to do. You'll have to do the Wi-Fi setup and all those different things, but it's actually pretty straightforward. So let's see, it looks like it just finished. I got my mouse control. Yep, so here, just go ahead and set yes. So I'm going to set this up for me. You can also choose a child. And this is where you sign in. In this case, this isn't a fresh one for me because I've already set up the Wi-Fi. Usually what you'll see is a Wi-Fi screen before this, and then you have to set up your Wi-Fi, but it's pretty straightforward. Hopefully that's useful for anybody.